Can't stand traffic, but love driving. Maybe your ride isn't exactly the flyest set of wheels. Want to see what your car can really do when pushed a little bit? Easily accessible from the big cities of Vancouver and Seattle. And about an hour and a little bit north of Victoria is the town of Duncan. And just outside Duncan, tucked in a mountain valley, is the Vancouver Island MotorSport circuit. Once you get past that locked gate, you'll be at the beautiful convention center with its meeting rooms and restaurant of the MotorSport circuit. If you don't want to use your own vehicle, there are some beautiful cars available for rent. Just recently opened the F1 designed Tilke Engineering of Germany 2.3 kilometer track, 19 turns, 11% elevation change, and 5 configurations. Pretty exciting. Some more safety
Another point
talks.
about that, if you're able to go the same speed as the car in front of you, please do it. Please match their speed and keep an even.
Then the first driving test is the slalom course.
Fairly gentle this left, but it is going to tighten down. You'll also notice that Bradley's not looking out the windshield for a good portion of this. He's looking out the side windows. If you're looking out the windshield,
Driver's position and steering wheel is checked.
Okay, so let's see how we're looking here. Can I see your left foot on that dead pedal? Yep, that looks good. And when you push yourself back in the seat, you're not going straight-legged. Yep. You can easily reach the gas and the brake, it looks like.
Yep.
And behind the brake. Let's just see your hands at that 9 and 3 and turn the wheel all the way each way. Okay, good.
Off I go for the first time. I'm getting through the slalom here as fast as possible, hopefully knocking over any cones, and getting into that corner and trying to remember where was that corner again, and letting the cones be my guide, looking through the side window as well, so I'm not looking just through the windshield. I'm in EV mode right now, so the Q5 is fairly quiet. Coming around my last big corner, trying to make sure I'm in amongst the cones and not crossing them, and ready to accelerate into the straightaway, where then I'm going to hit the ABS brakes and come to an abrupt stop. Now we're against the clock. We're trying to beat 30 seconds, and we're going to go as fast as we can this time and really squeal around those corners. Here we go. Okay, this isn't your grandma's Q5. I'm in sports mode, dynamic. Going to make these tires squeal, foot to the floor, cut the corners as tight as possible, and beat 30 seconds. Now we're on the big track. The lead car with the instructor has put walkie-talkies in each vehicle. As we get out on the 2.3 kilometers and 19 corners and 11.5% grades up and down, he gives us instructions on aiming points, when to cut the rumble strip corners, when to slow down, when to speed up. It's pretty exciting, and we're really trying to pay attention to the course and not just to the car in front of us.
We get about halfway up the hill, you notice the solid line on the right turns to a dotted line. That's where we're going to enter the track proper. Stay on the left side as we head up the hill towards corner 3. You're going to see our first turn-in cone on the left. Once we get alongside of it, as the name suggests, we're going to turn in. Nice smooth steering input. Don't just throw all that input in at once. We want to sort of add more steering smoothly. Into the apex, which is where I am now. That should be the tightest point to the corner before we open up the steering. We're straightening up the wheel towards the left side where we have our third cone, the exit cone. Like Bradley was saying this morning, we're just going to be playing a giant game of adults next door.
Okay, now we know the circuit. Now we're going to go for it.
Partly because there's no one in control, partly because no one's going to have an issue. Braking signs on the left, they are for reference, the numbers mean absolutely nothing, but as we're going faster, we are going to need to adjust that reference point.
We learn how to overtake on the track and to change positions in order. It's an incredibly focused experience. Too soon we start our final lap, giving our brakes a chance to cool down before we bring the vehicles to a stop. Fantastic to see what you can do, what your vehicle can do when working together, and an overall amazing experience. Thanks a lot.